This is not a quiet city. This is commerce, borders, waterfalls, and raw South American energy, where Paraguay, Brazil, and Argentina collide. Welcome to Ciudad del Este, Paraguay unlocked. Ciudad del Este sits on Paraguay's eastern edge, directly across from Brazil. It's one of the largest trading hubs in South America. Carry cash in small bills. Keep belongings secure in crowded areas. Portuguese and Spanish are widely spoken, English less so. This city moves fast. Shopping districts get crowded. Know which areas are commercial and which are residential. Locals shop early morning or late afternoon, never midday. Walk the Friendship Bridge. Shop the electronics markets. Visit Itaipu Dam, the world's largest by energy output. Day trip to Iguazu Falls, Brazil side access. Explore Monday Falls, Saltos del Monte. Visit the Buddhist temple of Ciudad del Este. Riverfront views along the Paraná. Local markets and street food. Border hop into Foz do Iguaçu. Sunset over Itaipu Lake. Stay near the city centre for shopping. Choose Riverview hotels for calm after dark. Nature lovers stay closer to Monday Falls. Locals avoid tourist shops and buy electronics from trusted family stores. Monday Falls is preferred over Iguazu by residents, quieter and closer. Many families here cross borders daily. It's normal life, not travel. Try sopa paraguaya, chipa, grilled beef, and street empanadas. Brazilian and Argentine flavors mix naturally here. Chipa is eaten year-round, not just holidays. Fly into Guarani International Airport. Taxis and buses are affordable. Border crossings are walkable. Just carry your passport. Itaipu Dam produces more electricity annually than any other dam on Earth, powering most of Paraguay. If Ciudad del Este surprised you, hit like, subscribe for more places unlocked, and keep exploring with ZZTravelz.